All right, then. There are really two basic questions. Yeah, close that door for me. There are two basic questions that we are going to be about this term. And everything else kind of circulates around these two basic issues. A whole bunch of questions, but at the very bottom, two kind of fundamental questions. We'll start them today and then we'll kind of go as we go. First one, let's see, Introduction to New Media Theory. What's new about it? Yeah. Introduction to Media Theory. We could do that one, huh? What happens when you insert the term new in that phrase, new media theory? So, media has been around a long time. Right? Electronic mass media has been around a while. So anything that we do that might be new, in one degree or the other, is inserted inside histories of using media. Established practices of using media that at various times in history shift radically and change. Right? With some continuities and some discontinuities. Some things carry over, some things get left behind. Some things get started new. And that's what we're going to kind of get at. Is what is it about what we do in digital, computational-based communications stuff, okay, that's new? And what do we know about it? If it's new, or to the degree to which it's new, there's sort of always a lag in terms of what you know about it, because it takes a while to get the scholarship done and the results in. Huh? Well, in that there was media forever, and then modern mass media for a while, we know a lot of things about how media works. Do those things all apply to the way this stuff, whatever it is, works? Or because it's new, does it work altogether differently than everything that came before? And what's the continuity and discontinuity with regard to what we know about it, right? So, how new is it? How is it new? How is it connected to the old? What parts of the old go away? What parts get emphasized? What parts get de-emphasized? And what can we know about it? And are those, does the newness of it change what we might be able to know? That's all part of what we're going to do. That's one big part. Sort of look at this media stuff as new or not in its historical context, in a cultural sense. How are we being changed? Are we being changed? Is it changed? Is it the same stuff? How is it different? Yada, yada. There's that part. New. Okay? The other part, well, they're both important.